Alright guys, in this video we're going to talk about the 5% deposit bonus that you get on a bottle. So you get 5% on all your deposits for life. Do you know what this means? You can stack up savings and practice trading with capital that's not even your own to risk and learn the right way. We already risk less than a fraction of a percent. So having that extra 5% bonus every time you deposit is a huge lifesaver. So do this now, just watch. So what we're going to do is click the profile section on the top right. You just click your email, then click deposit funds. Now you're going to see that the 5% deposit bonus is already activated. So for example, if I want to start with 5,000, now click proceed and then click continue funding. It's going to take you to the deposit payment portal page. Now you just finalize your deposit there. Then once it's processed, you're going to see the amount you deposited plus that extra 5%. So for example, if you deposited 10,000, you'll have an extra $500, which is the best thing because you can start to trade with that 500 and you can leave that 10,000 just as a cushion in your account. Let's get it done and start ASAP, guys. See you on the other side.